This weather report brought to you by Hyundai Tucson. Imagine tomorrow's car today.
7 News is Adelaide's news.
A raging inferno.
A dramatic pursuit.
A new COVID peak.
Residents heard explosions.
We're first for breaking news.
A police pursuit through Adelaide's northern suburbs.
Don't be left in the dark.
Adelaide's leading local news, 7 News.
And now it's time for more weather news with Amelia, who's at Athelston Football Club tonight with some good news, I hope, Amelia, of some warmer winter weather on the way.
Well, Jane, we haven't seen a top temperature over 17 degrees all month. That's what we're looking at tomorrow, and hopefully some top temperatures that nudge that 20-degree mark by the end of the weekend. For now, well, we're really noticing the gully winds here at footy training tonight at Athelston Footy Club. We've got the Masters in action behind us here at the moment, and even though it's currently around 10 degrees in the city, when you factor in that wind chill, it feels closer to 7. Our top today was 13.6 degrees, following a low of 5. And it was particularly frosty in our southeast this morning. Mount Gambier dropped to a low of minus 2.1 degrees overnight, the coldest temperature seen there in 2 years, with temperatures today generally below average statewide. That'll change soon, though, as a big high-pressure system near Tasmania continues its journey east. We've got a weak change. It's approaching our far west tomorrow. That'll peter out by the weekend before another moves in early next week. Interstate and a frosty start for Melbourne on the cards tomorrow too. Showers are set to continue over Sydney. Rain on the way for Brisbane, while the wet and windy conditions should ease tomorrow in Perth. Back home, and another dry days in store. 19 the top for Murray and for Port Augusta, 18 for Moomba, 17 for Woomera and Roxby Downs, which is looking at a low of -1, with areas of frost expected under clearer skies in some parts. A top of 15 on the way for Port Lincoln, 16 for Whyalla, 13 for Clare and New Riuchpa, 16 for Kadina and Victor Harbour, 17 for Renmark, and sunny and 15 in Mount Gambier. Now, there is concern tonight temperatures could drop as low as -2 in the mid-north and lower southeast, while strong winds are forecast about western and central coast tomorrow. And in the outback, the warning for flooding along the Warburton River and Cooper Creek continues. In the city, down to 7 degrees overnight, then a partly cloudy day on the way, 17 the top. On metro waters, easterly winds to 15 knots, turning nor'easterly in the morning with seas below a metre. Looking ahead, the grey skies will return Friday up to 17, 18 on Saturday. We should see a sunny start Sunday with a top of 19 degrees on the way before showers develop later in the day, and those showers are set to continue into Monday too. Now, before I go, let's check out tonight's ray of sunshine. There was no philosopher's stone left unturned today for more than 80 aspiring witches and wizards on a special Harry Potter themed tour of Parliament and Government House. Pupils dropped their names into a real-life goblet of fire and learnt how to make potions, even trying their hand at a game of Quidditch, with Her Excellency Frances Adamson on hand too to give a stamp of approval for each of the students at the end. And that looks very fun to me, Jane. What a fun way to learn about Government House and Parliament too.
That does look most innovative and most engaging for the kids concerned. Well, thank you, Amelia, and that's all the news we have for you for now. I'll have some evening updates for you, though, throughout the night. In the meantime, from all of us here in the Adelaide 7 News team at Hindmarsh, good night.